This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are my own.
All right, so we're giving this the rain test. I've got this set up outside for its first night. We're gonna let it charge up. All right, so I got this solar fairy light garden umbrella thing, and you know who's gonna love this? My mom. She's gonna love this because I'm not really the solar garden fairy light kind of guy, but I thought I would assemble this for you. Then we'll put it outside and we'll let it charge up. We'll see what it looks like at night too. So here's what you get with it. It comes packaged very nicely, all wrapped up in bubble wrap and styrofoam to protect the glass umbrella part. You know, everything that comes with it, all the little glass pieces. So it's got a nice, like a little rubber grommet inside of this umbrella, which I'm assuming we're just gonna have to put this piece through. So let's do that. I'm just gonna kind of put a little pressure on it and do a screwing motion through there and get it through till it comes all the way out, and this thing butts up on the bottom, and there we have it. And then basically on the top of the umbrella part right here, there's a threaded insert, so we're just gonna thread this into here and thread that on. Here we go. All right, so I got this thing threaded on. There's some of these are a little bit down farther than the others, so I'm just gonna I'm gonna bend these up just a hair so I don't want them touching the glass. And there we go. I think that's perfect. There it is. So that was easy. Then we'll just thread this section on right here. Couldn't be any more easier so far. And then we're going to take it outside, stick it in the ground, or we're going to stick it in a pot or something. So you have this is a little solar panel right here. So in the daytime, the solar panel is going to charge this guy up, and at night, this thing's going to light up. There's an on-off switch on the back, so we're going to switch this into the on position right now and just let it do its thing. All right, so we're giving this the rain test. I've got this set up outside for its first night. We're gonna let it charge up with the solar power during the rain. So I'll give you a test. So if it works at night, we'll know it works in the rain. And you can see I got it set up here next to that little mushroom guy. You can see how small it is, the size of it. And yeah, we'll come back later at night and see what it looks like. Pretty awesome. Looks good in my little garden setup here, I think. Next to those crystals. There it is. It's a little windy out tonight. You can see it sparkling in the distance. You can see it sparkling in the distance. My security light just came on. Let's check it out. I want to mention too, this thing's only about a foot tall. There it is in the night next to my mushroom. I think it looks good with my lanterns. So if you're looking for a fairy lamp to spruce up your garden, an enchanted garden lamp, check out this one. Check it out.